I didn't come to keto because of weight loss, which is what, the media would have us believe its only use is. I am keto because of my mental health. My name is Carrie Brown. I actually live in Connecticut, but I'm here in Salt Lake with the Keto Chow team today. And I am known for a few things. Probably one of the things I'm most well known for is keto ice cream. Another of the things I'm well known for is being the girl who cured her bipolar 2 disorder using the ketogenic diet. I now am the product and shake and food photographer for Keto Chow. So if you go up to ketochow.xyz, all of those pretty shake pictures are ones that I shot, and the packets and a lot of the food photographs for the recipes are also what I do. I also create recipes for Keto Chow. I've authored and published 5 keto cookbooks now, but I also develop new recipes for Keto Chow using Keto Chow products, and their egg white powder is a special favorite of mine. I was introduced to keto by a doctor in Seattle, Dr. Ted Naiman. Many people have heard about him now. So I bumped into Dr. Naiman on Twitter, and we got talking about DNA because I was trying to discover how to fix my bipolar disorder, because it seemed like nobody in the traditional medical community had any clue why I had it or what to do about it other than to give me drugs to keep me stable. And being on drugs forever and varying drugs and different doses and like continually tweaking pharmaceuticals was not my idea of a good time. And when I told him why I was doing it, he said, "I think I can help you with your bipolar." So it turned out that fortuitously his office was 11 miles from my house in Seattle. And so I booked a time to went to see him, and he said he wanted to put me on the ketogenic diet. And the reason for that is, at the time, I was on an anti-seizure medication called lamotrigine, which was keeping my bipolar relatively stable. So the ketogenic diet was originally developed to help children with seizures. And it was very, very successful in helping those children either reduce their seizures or get rid of them completely. So since I was on an anti-seizure medication, Dr. Naiman said it makes sense to me that if you respond well to an anti-seizure medication, then you may respond well to essentially an anti-seizure diet, aka the ketogenic diet. So that's how I was introduced to keto. Maintaining a ketogenic diet and also another couple of tweaks that I uncovered through my DNA have kept me medication-free and symptom-free for, doing a big quick bit of math, 7 years. For me, the trade-off between doing what I had to do with my eating and the results I got to no longer be suicidal, to no longer be medicated with pharmaceuticals, to no longer have suicidal episodes, which impacted obviously everything else in my life, work and everything. It was not hard, the results versus what I had to do. I don't find traditional keto hard at all. And one of the reasons why I wrote the cookbooks that I did, and one of the reasons why I continue to develop recipes with Keto Chow, is to make it easier for other people to come to keto, because there's not much that you can't create in a much, much healthier form when it comes to recipes. And also, once your body becomes adapted to keto, you no longer get the same cravings for the bread and the sugar and all those things you used to eat. One of the best things for me about keto, just on a day-to-day basis, is how I do not get hungry anymore. So, I can leave the house at 9 in the morning and not have to be thinking, oh, where should I stop for lunch? Or, oh, I have to have something with me in case I get hungry. That has gone away, and that has been super freeing for me. I find now that the hunger and the sugar highs and lows have just disappeared. So that makes it a lot easier. Each shake is a third of your daily requirements, nutrition requirements, protein, the vitamins and minerals that are in there. It's all there. You just add the fat of your choice. So, and you can alter the amount of fat to suit your goals. So I find it incredibly easy to use Keto Chow. And if you've had other protein shakes or meal replacement shakes before, you might be thinking, yeah, I don't want to drink shakes all the time. But I have to tell you, and I'm a foodie, I'm a pastry chef by trade, so I insist on my food tasting good. The thing that for me really makes Keto Chow stand out is the fact that they taste absolutely fantastic. You will not know that they are not a milkshake. They are really delicious. There's, I think there's like 39 flavors or something. There's a lot of flavors, and that makes it super simple. For me, when I'm road tripping, the thing I like to do when I'm not cooking food or photographing food, I like to road trip, and I always drive everywhere. And Keto Chow is the easiest way to stay keto on the road for me. So when I road trip, I'm packed with my blender and my packets of Keto Chow, and I'm good to go.